Okay, now let's try to get an answer from someone who's not a complete retard. Anyone? Come on, don't be shy.
I think I know the answer, Mr. Garrison. Shut up, fat boy!
Hey, don't call me fat, you fucking Jew!
Eric, did you just say the F word?
Jew?
No, he's talking about fuck. You can't say fuck in school, you fucking fat ass.
Kyle!
Why the fuck not?
Eric!
Dude, you just said fuck again.
Stanley! Kenny!
What's the big deal? It doesn't hurt anybody. Fuck, fuckity, fuck, fuck, fuck.
How would you like to go see the school counselor?
How would you like to suck my balls?
What did you say?
I'm sorry. Actually, what I said was... How would you like to suck my balls?
This is the South Carolina State Police with an Amber child abduction alert. We have just received this important announcement regarding an abducted child in Charleston. The Charleston Police Department is looking for a child that was abducted from the Walmart at 3951 West Ashley Circle in Charleston, South Carolina. The child's name is Dalton Price, described as a 5-year-old white male, 3 feet tall, weighing 50 pounds with black hair and green eyes. Dalton was last seen wearing a black Ninja Turtle t-shirt and blue jeans and gray New Balance shoes. The child was abducted by an unknown white male, described as 6 feet tall with a slim build, with long black hair. The suspect was seen driving an older model Toyota 4Runner, forest green in color with no Georgia tags. If spotted, please call 911 immediately.